And there goes CTV as well.
Warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Sarnia and Lambton. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information. Western Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Grey County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Oh, great. And here goes Collingwood.
At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following county. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rain.
Let me check channel 2.
Threatening weather approaches.
What the?
Please consult local media for more information. Are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado.
What the flick? What? 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 You kidding me? Are you kidding me right now?
Already gone off.
Already?
That was an SVR.
A tornado warning. I jinxed it. I just jinxed it. I jinxed it.
27 p.m.
I just jinxed it. In about 2 minutes, they would issue a tornado warning, and I just jinxed it completely.
Yeah. You're good at this, dog.
You jinxed it! You jinxed it! You jinxed it, boys! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it!
At 5:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care
National Public Alerting System.
Oxford and Environment. At 5:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Oxford and Brent. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is
I friggin' knew it! There's a tornado warning now!
damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning
Ah,
for
shit!
southwestern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around
Ah, frick me!
localities, Oxford and Brent. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe
I knew it! There was a tornado warning!
producing a tornado, damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rain
I knew it!
possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
Hold on, shush.
Please consult local media for more information.
Yeti!
Starting to rain in Jefferson.
I knew it! SVO! SVO, boys! SVO! Repeating, guys, SVO for Canada. I mean, Canada. For Dunfield, Caledonia, and Horniman. Okay! God dang it! Guys, I just got scared again! Tornado warning for Barrie again!
At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for central Ontario. Extra care and attention should be
So
exercised.
great!
The following localities are included in the warning: Aurelia, Lagoon City, Washego, Barrie, Collingwood, and Hillsdale. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds and large
A prison lawyer.
are possible. Take cover if threatening weather approaches.
Our area.
Please consult local media for more
We are
information.
preparing ourselves.
It. Freaking god dang it! Wait a minute, Niagara Falls! I'm hearing an off. What's going on? Why? Why? Are you... God, why? I just came back because I came back for my hot dogs.
I don't think I should. You know what?
What is going on with my walkie-talkies? They ain't activating. XMJ! Come on, walkie-talkie! This is so dark. This is dark here.
Do you want to take another look at velocity over Lake Erie? Tell me if you're fucking tripping.
No.
North of Lakewood.
God damn it! Why? Hey, shut up, Gaetan. (7-Eleven)
Environnement Canada a émis une alerte dans votre région. À titre de avancée de l'air. Le jeudi 20 juillet 2023, une alerte orage violente est en vigueur pour Sécurité Oshawa, région de Durham Sud.